Good morning children, welcome to class 4 social studies. Previous class I have explained the long answers of lesson 2 almanac and I told you to write the short answers and 3 long answers in copy. I hope all of you have done this in copy. Once again I will explain the long answers. Number 1, long answer number 1, describe the Gregorian calendar. Who invented it? Who invented the Gregorian calendar? The Gregorian calendar was invented by Pope Gregory XIII. The Gregorian calendar is the widely used calendar in the world today. This is a solar based calendar. It is divided into 12 months of irregular months. The 11 months of this calendar is of either 30 or 31, while the second month, February, is only of 28 days. This was the answer of the Gregorian calendar. Then second question, define almanac. What is an almanac? An almanac is an annual publication which includes information such as weather forecast, tide tables and tabular information arranged according to the calendar. Then describe 4 features that make a leap year. Number 1, a leap year has 366 days. Number 2, every year divisible by 4 gives a leap year. Number 3, every year divisible by 400 is a leap year. Number 4, every year divisible by 100 is not a leap year. These are the 4 points. Okay. First point, there are 366 days in a leap year. Every year divisible by 4 gives a leap year. Every year divisible by 400 is also a leap year. Every year divisible by 100 is not a leap year. Okay. Then the next question, explain the formation of Shaka calendar. Explain the formation of Shaka calendar. It is in page number 16, the formation of Shaka calendar. I will explain. Okay. The use of Shaka calendar began from Shaka era 1879, that is Chaitra 1. The use of Shaka calendar began from Shaka era 1879, Chaitra 1. This calendar starts with the king Shalivahana's accession to the throne. There are 12 months in Shaka calendar. The first month is Chaitra. Okay. So what is the answer of this question? The use of Shaka calendar began from Shaka era 1879, that is Chaitra 1. This calendar starts with the king Shalivahana's accession to the throne. When did the king became the king? Accession to the throne, that means became the king. That time onwards the Shaka calendar started. There are 12 months. How many months are there? 12 months in Shaka calendar. The first month is Chaitra. Only this much you write. Okay. Then what is the next question? What is a timeline AD and BC? What is a timeline AD and BC? The definition of timeline we have already learned, that you don't write. What is a timeline? A timeline is a way of displaying things in a systematic way. So our question is, what is a timeline AD and BC? A timeline AD stands for the Anno Domini, meaning in the year of Christ. What is AD? AD means Anno Domini, Anno Domini, Anno Domini. What is the meaning of it? This means in the year of the Christ. Anno Domini means in the year of the Christ. So after the Christ, after the birth of Christ, or in the year of the Christ. And BC stands for before Christ. So AD's abbreviation is Anno Domini and BC meaning before Christ. And the calendar runs from the year Jesus Christ was born, which is 1st AD. The calendar runs from the year Jesus Christ was born. So the calendar, Gregorian calendar, is started from the birth of the Jesus Christ, which year? 1st AD, which is 1st AD. The calendar counts backwards on BC sides and forwards on AD side. That one sentence I have given extra. Okay. The calendar counts backwards on BC side and forwards on AD side. Clear? Once again I will read the answer. The timeline AD stands for Anno Domini, meaning in the year of Christ, and BC stands for before Christ. The calendar runs from the year Jesus Christ was born, which is 1st AD. The calendar counts backwards on BC side and forwards on AD side. Clear all of you? Yes. Then the next question is, what is the use of CE and BCE in a timeline? What is the use of CE and BCE in a timeline? What is the use of CE? CE in timeline stands for Common Era. What is CE? Common Era. It is used in place of AD. It is used as an alternate of AD. That is, instead of AD we can use CE. CE means Common Era. And BCE. BCE is used in place of BC. Instead of BC we can write BCE. And what it means? Before Common Era. Clear? So, CE means Common Era, which is used in place of AD, and BCE means before Common Era, which is used in place of BC. That is the answer. Clear? Okay. Then the fill in the blanks. All of you take out or fill in the blanks that I have not explained now. Page number 18, the fill in the blanks. BC stands for before Christ. Before Christ. BC stands for before Christ. The first answer, fill in the blanks, page number 18. BC stands for before Christ. And B, Gregorian calendar was discovered by Pope Gregory XIII. Gregorian calendar was discovered by Pope Gregory XIII. Then next question, timeline displays things in a systematic manner. Timeline displays things in a systematic manner. Which manner? Systematic manner. Then D, CE stands for Common Era. CE stands for Common Era. Then E, there are dashed months in Shaka calendar. There are 12 months in Shaka calendar. Then F, dash is devised year numbering in Common Era. Dionysius Exogius. Dionysius Exogius. Dionysius Exogius. It is given in page number 16. The last line, the answer is there. Dionysius Exogius. Page number 16, the last line. Dionysius Exogius. That is the answer of this fill in the blanks. Okay. Dionysius Exogius devised the year numbering in Common Era. Clear all of you? Once again I will explain the fill in the blanks answers. BC stands for before Christ. Gregorian calendar was discovered by Pope Gregory XIII. Timeline displays things in a systematic manner. CE stands for Common Era. There are 12 months in a Shaka calendar. Dionysius Exogius devised year numbering in Common Era. Clear? I hope all of you understood all the short answers, long answers and the fill in the blanks of this chapter. Okay. So, do all this in copy. The short answer, long answer and the fill in the blanks in copy and learn. Next class, I will explain the next lesson. Okay. Read this lesson well and read the question answer, all the short answers, long answer and fill in the blanks and do the exercise, all these exercise in copy. Okay. Bye.